Hi, this video is going to be on the supernatural in the Tempest. Now, at the beginning of the play, we have Prospero conjuring up the storm, and this is an example of his supernatural abilities. Now, he learned magic himself, so he studied it, and we see him confess to Miranda that it was his obsession with learning it that cost him his dukedom. And this confession also foreshadows him deciding to give up magic at the end of the play. And we also see Prospero dealing with supernatural powers through Ariel. So Ariel is indebted to Prospero, and Prospero uses Ariel to scare the characters at the magical banquet in his spirit form. And we also see the supernatural through Caliban. Now, people refer to him in the play as a monster, and in part this is because they are racially prejudiced, but it is also because he is a supernatural being. Now, Caliban doesn't have powers, but his mother was a witch, and he therefore has supernatural blood in him. So hopefully you can see how the supernatural plays itself out in different ways through the different characters. Thanks for listening.